Hi, I'm Lalit Vasist and you are watching Engineering Made Easy. Scientists have found proof of God in the code of DNA. But what did they find in the DNA code that made them believe in the existence of God? Keep watching the video to get the answer. As you know that a computer program is a series of binary numbers, that is ones and zeros. This sequence of ones and zeros instructs the computer what to do. In the same way, all the functions that are taking place inside the cell of the body are controlled by an incredibly complex and extremely long code written in the DNA, which is placed inside the nucleus of all the cells of our body. But now the question arises how this complex code of DNA convinced scientists of the presence of God. Let's try to understand it with the help of a simple example. Suppose you are walking on a beach and suddenly you see a message written on the beach sand. The message is, Michael is my best friend. Then what is the possibility that this message was just written by chance by the random waves? You will say, no, it's not possible. How these waves of the ocean can write this message? This message is an information that must have come from the intelligence. So it is not possible for us to neglect an intelligent mind behind such a simple, meaningful message carrying information. So the point is, information comes from intelligence. According to Dr. Francis Collins, director of the Human Genome Project, one can think of DNA as an instructional script, a software program sitting in the nucleus of the cell. Now, if we see the complexity of the code written in the DNA, it will boggle your mind. The letters of the programming language written in the DNA are A, T, G, and C, just like the letters of computer programming language ones and zeros. As what the computer will do is decided by the program placed inside its memory that may be hundreds to thousands of letters long. In the same way, whole functions of the body are decided by the DNA code having its copy placed inside each cell of the body. This DNA code is nearly 3 billion letters long and its instructions are written by different sequences and arrangements of the four letters A, T, G, and C. A unique combination of these letters instructs the cell how to carry out extremely complex body functions. These four letters of DNA code A, T, G, C are actually names of four chemicals. These are adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine that respectively stand for A, T, G, and C letters. As 110010101101 is an example of a computer program instruction in the binary language with letters ones and zeros. Similarly, AG, AGT, GG, CT, CACT, CCTGAA is an example of an instruction in the DNA code written by using four letters A, T, G, and C. Now remember the example of message written on the beach again. If such a simple message written on the beach cannot be written by chance or randomly by sea waves and needs an intelligent mind conveying a piece of information, how is it possible to neglect an infinitely intelligent superintelligence who has written that incredibly long, dense, and complex code of 3 billion letters inside the nucleus of each cell? Who placed that code there? Is it just by chance? Do you know how much complex the DNA code is? The DNA code contains all the information that makes up an organism, all the features that makes you, every quality and trait that you possess, every chemical reaction taking place inside your body, and lot more. This code is transferred to the next generations. That is the reason why a child has many characteristics similar to his or her parents. It's interesting to note that a child shares 99.5% of the DNA with his parents. Everything that is happening inside the cell is instructed by the DNA code written in the language of four letters A, T, G, and C. Not only this code has instructions also for auto-repairing itself. This 3 billion lettered code is copied to new cells before a cell dies, so the information is not lost after the death of the cell. These all unbelievably complex functions are performed by the DNA code at extremely high speed without you even noticing. This 3 billion letter code is so long that if a person types one word per second for 8 hours a day continuously, it would take him 50 years to type the human genome, that is, the DNA code. And this code is not just about its length. The code has to instruct the cell to complete highly complex tasks. So it's obvious that job to write this program is beyond the limits of a human mind. No program has ever been written by chance. If you are a computer programmer, then you can understand how much intelligence, concentration, creativity, pain, and time it takes to write a simple code of just few hundred words if we want to get a task done by instructing a machine. Can that computer program be written without an intelligent programmer by itself, by chance? No. So how can we think that this incredibly long code of 3 billion letters that is unbelievably complex and the densest storage of information in the universe can be written without any super intelligence behind it? Who is that programmer? That must be no one other than the God itself. Therefore, according to many scientists, God has shown its presence in the DNA code by showing his infinite intelligence. For many researchers, this is the proof of God placed inside every cell of our body. So friends, I hope you liked this video. If you found this video interesting, then please like and share it with your friends. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel Engineering Made Easy. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.